In March 1888, chaos descended upon the northeastern United States as the Great Blizzard struck. Beginning suddenly, it buried cities like New York and Boston under up to 50 inches of snow. Wind gusts reached 80 miles per hour, creating massive snowdrifts that climbed to the second story of buildings. Streets vanished, and transportation halted as railways and telegraphs succumbed to the storm's ferocity. For days, over 400 lives were lost, and entire communities found themselves isolated. The storm marked a turning point, prompting advances in urban planning and infrastructure. Underground railways were conceived to avoid future disruptions. This monumental blizzard not only tested human resilience but also reshaped cities, leaving a legacy of preparedness in its wake.